Hey gravelers, what's up? It's Phil here, and this morning we're in sunny Montpelier for the 2022 Muddy Onion. Morning. Almost ready to roll. So we're a couple miles in. Just got off the pavement. Things are thinning out a bit, but it's gorgeous and nice. So we're a few miles in. It's just incredible out here. Great people. Good to catch up with some folks we haven't seen in a while. Super fans. Check this out.
How's the cord?
So good. So you could skip grilled PB&J, but why would you? Absolutely.
Is there bacon in that sandwich?
No, no bacon, but it's grilled PB&J.
Yeah, nice.
Okay, how is the PB&J?
It's warm.
Yeah.
It's warm.
So good.
So good. Grilled PB&J. So good. Hits the spot. Even if you don't need it, you need it. Every time. So I'm a couple miles from PB&J stop. People are just stoked to be out, hanging out, riding bikes. It's great. Oh. So the right number of PB&Js is 2. Because I feel great. I feel like I had a delicious snack. Everybody's happy near grilled PB&J. It's making my day to be back at events with grilled PB&J. We passed the halfway sign. The stoke is still so high. People are so talkative. It's like the most talkative I've ever been on a ride, and I think it's because we all missed each other. This is just amazing. I mean, come on, look at this blueberry day. Ooh. Can't beat that. I mean, if you couldn't feel the air temperature, you would think going swimming was a great idea. So nice and sunny. The gravel is definitely exciting. You can see potholes, some mud, but a lot of potholes. But this is just absolutely amazing. So good. So good. Quarters of the way, plus minus, and some of the conversation on the bike is starting to turn into how our legs are feeling, which is anywhere from bad to marginal to great for a lot of folks. But everybody is stoked to be launching the gravel season this way, really. It's pretty awesome. Just a few miles left. My legs aren't feeling so fresh anymore, but that's okay, they shouldn't be. But I'm looking forward to some food and some event-specific beer from Good Measure, for sure.
This is the challenge.
No, this is smarter. If I put light stuff
on your body.
on my body. And then when I'm riding up that final 500-foot hill.
Did you just do 40 miles and you're just casually biking home now?
Yeah, well, you know, here's the thing. Winter.
I'm concerned about you.
Winter and delicious beer needs to leave my body.
Look, I feel the same way.
So I rode here thinking I'll make it through the ride.
Oh, I think you can only fit 2 in there.
That's fine.
What about the upper part?
No, I'm good. I'll be great.
And then the back one.
Is anyone gonna stop me from pouring one in a water bottle?
No, I'm not.
Wait, we have to get the other.
We need like maybe hold one on your seat too.
I'll go like this.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me get the other one. It's not effective.
I need bike cards.
No, but it works. It works. It works for our marketing.
Oh wait, you know each other? No. Oh.
He likes my style.
Everybody likes his style.
He just did the racing. He's gonna bike back to Barry with a 4-pack. He's like feeding stuff to
He's trying to get his 4-pack in there. Probably.
You might see me sleeping on the side of the Barry Montpelier Road with my 4-pack in a little bit. So here we are, the end of the 2022 Muddy Onion. I just loaded my bike up with a 4-pack of Muddy Onion beer from Good Measure, and I'm gonna head on home. It's an awesome ride, great food at the end. My belly is now full of Indian food. If you like what you see, like and follow us. We'll be churning out some good content all gravel season. See you later, gravelers.